Sorry?
Some lime.
Oh, lime, yeah. Give us a taste. Oh, I forgot to buy lime.
Salt. Is there salt?
Yeah, there's salt
No,
right
it's
here.
fairly
There's salt right here.
soft avocado flavour. You know?
What's this for?
I don't know.
Did you put this here, did you?
Yeah.
What's that for?
That's for potato chips.
Potato chips. Do you have potatoes?
Yeah. Do we have any flour, Victor?
Yeah?
Flour?
Flour.
Yeah. Like to coat the potatoes
Yeah.
to make crispy.
Crispy. You like it?
Like it crispy.
Potato.
We eat a lot of potatoes.
What did you make?
Guacamole.
Yeah?
Guacamole.
Guacamole. Oh,
It's an avocado mush. Mexican.
Mexican
Mexican.
food. No. Ah.
You have that garlic mushed up yet?
You can chuck as much as you want.
Is there a musher? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
What are you doing, man?
Whoa.
Whoa.
I'm coating it. There's not enough space for this.
We'll dip these You keep cutting more.
Do you have a really large platter? Do you have a really large platter that I
Yeah.
can cover the wok with?
Hmm.
Or is that a tall order?
So what's that, man? Potato.
Potato chips.
Yeah.
There's no flour, but they'll be alright.
What's that? Salt.
That's salt. Yeah.
Salt. Oh.
Oh, you got the salt.
Hopefully perfect.
You say I hope it's perfect. I don't know if it will. Oh yeah.
And how was that?
It's very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Whoa, man. The two guys from Australia cook something for dinner. Wow, fantastic. And this is Paddy,
Hey Victor.
also can cook.
Whoa.
Nah, inilah kayaknya ini labu ya, teman-teman. Nah, tuh. Seperti apakah masakannya? Apakah enak atau bagaimana? Kita akan lihat, dia akan coba. Mami Raka, Mami. Oh iya Mami. Nanti kita akan melihat. Kris.
Hello.
Oi, apa mau kau? Apa mau geraga?
Chopping potato.
Oh, potong potato. Oh, kentang itu kentang.
Yummy.
Kulitnya tidak dikasih keluar, Mr. Bro.
Yo. Are people coming to dinner or what?
So, why the skin is not take out?
The skin's good. Skin's
Skin
the
is
best
good.
part.
Oh.
No one likes the skin here, but I
Yeah.
love the skin.
In Toraja, no one likes skin.
Why not?
I don't know. Maybe they think that it's dirty. Yeah,
It's not.
it's not dirty because.
Only 35.
Kamu bisa jadi mabuk itu.
This fucking.
Mabuk nanti. Wow.
Can you pour us a bunch?
Yeah, can you give us some fucking...
You can find in Australia tuak.
No.
No tuak in Australia.
Not yet, but me and Eddie are going to set up an import business.
Oh yeah.
He'll be exporting, I'll be importing.
Nah. Ini juga, ini bule dari Australia. Oh, ini dari Afrika ini. Ya. Bule from Afrika, you know. Wah, ternyata bule-bule ini pintar juga masak-masak ya. Aduh. Jadi bule ini mencari pacar di Indonesia. Kalau ada yang berminat silakan hubungi.
Chili.
Ya.
Chili in the oil. Is that in charge? He's crazy.
Crazy. Hey,
Crazy.
I say for the viewer, if there are girls looking for men from Australia,
If any restaurant is looking for a chef,
yeah, can cook like this. Oh, awesome! Wow. We'll see 3 guys here.
is it good?
Enak. Pedis, pedis. Pedis.
What is it? This is pumpkin.
Spicy.
It's not spicy.
No.
We can put the spice in afterwards.
Yeah.
There's some sambal in the fridge.
Pumpkin with
Garlic and chili. And peanuts.
Peanuts. Yeah.
It's getting a bit messy though, hey.
So tonight no beer. Only
the night of the tour.
ballo tuak. Yeah. Tonight without beer. Tuak is really good.
That's fish.
That's fish.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
Pembe.
Let's show that on camera.
What's that? Pembe. Whoa.
Pembe.
Ah.
Yeah.
Nah, teman-teman, sepertinya ini adalah alpukat.
Hey, Josh!
Ya. Ini cowok ganteng ini lagi memasukkan balok ke gelasnya. Wow. Ini anak gagal ini satu
Oh,
ini.
spilling it.
Oh.
Clean that up.
Wow. Nah ini juga sudah si ganteng satu ini. Wow. Nah, satu yang lagi mencuci gelas dan piring, namanya Sam.
Doing the dishes.
Yeah.
Dishy.
Sam is not bad boy.
Good boy.
And the little John. What's little John? Oh, big John. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Oh. Let me see your hood. Oh,
The pumpkin's real.
really good. Yeah. So Chris,
On the food.
Oh, yeah,
Not bad.
not bad.
Good sauce.
Oh, not bad. Good sauce.
You?
Tasty. Got a bit of chicken, got a bit of pumpkin, got a bit of fish, got a bit of tempeh, got a bit of rye.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put some chicken on my plate.
4 healthy and 5 completely. Yeah.